Thinking of trying Hey Curls Toronto? Their site promises soft, divine curls with natural friendly products. But is it actually the real deal or just another scammy hair care brand? Let's take a quick look. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Hey Curls offers curl-focused products like creams and accessories. The branding looks clean and everything sounds amazing. But once you check Trustpilot, there are a bunch of complaints. Orders not arriving, no tracking or updates, and customer service basically non-existent. Then over on Reddit, users are calling it out as a scam. One post in Reddit Fine Hair warned people to avoid the site completely, and others back it up with similar bad experiences. Is Hey Curls Toronto legit? Doesn't look like it. The site might look nice, but the negative reviews and refund issues say otherwise. You're better off sticking with proven curl care brands. Got scammed or had a good experience? Let us know in the comments and hit the like and subscribe for more no fluff review. Catch you in the next one.